Here are example photos before and after using this preset. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the file is protected by a password. Password will be shown on iCard. Preset downloading will start after entering the password. The password consists of 4-digit numbers and will appear separately like this. So, let's start editing. First, go to Lights. Exposure down -0.09. Contrast 10. Highlights -30. Shadows 48. Whites -54.
Password will appear here.
Blacks 40. Next, go to Curve Tools and follow these steps. Don't forget like and subscribe for more interesting presets. Click Done. Go to Colors White Balance. Vibrance 10. Now go to Color Mix. Red hue -26. Saturation 22. Luminance 30. Orange hue 0. Saturation -8. Luminance 26. Yellow hue -21. Saturation -11. Luminance 28. Green hue 16. Saturation 45. Don't forget like and subscribe for more interesting presets. Luminance 44. Aqua hue -14. Saturation 30. Luminance -24. Blue hue -6. Saturation 39. Luminance -8. Purple hue -13. Saturation 46. Luminance to 7. Magenta hue 19. Saturation 1.5. Luminance 15. Click Done. Then go to Effects. Texture 1.3. Clarity -14. Dehaze 7. Next, go to Details. Sharpening to 2. Masking 25. Noise reduction 20. Color noise reduction 18. Edits completed. Now check. Copy and paste this preset. Wait for results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe for more interesting presets.
Royal Editz LR Free Premium Lightroom Presets.